It's Patrick Gekwa. I'm part of the legal team that is representing Mheshimiwa Mukunji here at the DCI headquarters in compliance with the ruling that was made by the Kahawa law courts when Mheshimiwa was issued bail, and one of the conditions was that he should avail himself whenever he's needed by the DCI. So we were here today to honor that condition by the courts at around 10. And they kept us waiting for a very long time, but eventually they came. They grilled him. They asked him the relevant questions they thought were relevant to their case, and we answered their questions because we don't have anything to hide. Mheshimiwa is a member of parliament, is an honorable member of parliament, and is a servant of this country, and he has nothing to hide. So whatever trumped-up charges that they would want to prefer against him, we have nothing to hide. We are as open as a book. So whatever questions they asked, we answered the questions. What is whereabouts on the 7th of July 2025. And we told him exactly where he was. He gave an account of his day from the morning to when they arrested him. So basically that is what we gave him.
The questions, the issues they wanted clarified was the issue on 25th, just a small event which happened in Embu, and it was clarified quite well. We decided to help them with the investigation because, as my colleague has said, we didn't see any fear which a member of parliament should have in recording a statement. So we gave all the necessary help, guidance, and other than taking a lot of time with in the offices back and forth, I think Honorable Mukunji has cooperated well with the investigators. And we hope this is the last time you will be summoned here to come and record a statement. Thank you. Back and forth, consultations back and forth. Sometimes they put some questions to him that they go and consult, but we let them take their time because we don't want a member of parliament for Manyata to always come to the DCI headquarters. So we advised him to be available today and to give them all the information they wanted so that he can be free to serve the people of Manyata, Embu County, and the country at large. Some action is supposed to go for mention on 24th. Let's not prejudice the outcome of the court process, but the MP here is not happy with the turn this event since it unfolded up to today. He is of the view that there may be other forces or ulterior motive other than enforcing the rule of law. And as a law-abiding citizen, we have cooperated fully and we give them on our part. But the rest we leave it to court and also to humanity.
I also want to appreciate in a very special way the people of Embu County. It touched my heart that immediately my news of sort of abduction broke in Embu. Everybody was praying, calling me, reaching out to my friends, my colleagues, inquiring what is happening. And in a special way, I want to say thank you to the people of Embu. I also want to clearly say that I was on Thika Road, going about my business, and it is a time close to 40 police officers blocked my vehicle because it was difficult to pass through. And from there, a lot of things have happened. I don't want to comment because this is a matter in court. I don't want to be in problems with the court. And let me say that it is unfortunate that issues to do with demonstrations are actually being taken to a terror court in Kahawa, a court that is specially meant to be dealing with terrorists. And many of you have actually been asking why would somebody of good standing like Gitonga Mukunji be called the same name with Osama bin Laden and Al-Shabaab. But it is not only about me. There are so many young people I've met in that court with the same charges. Some, and even one was a teenager below age of 18 years. I want to tell the state that this is very unfortunate. A court that is supposed to protect us from terror, we as the people of Kenya, cannot be a court that is listening to Kenyans as terrorists. And I'm calling upon the financiers of the court, who is mostly United Nation, to reprimand the president to not misuse a court that is meant to protect the people of East Africa. Even in the definition, a terrorist is a transnational criminal. And I have dreamt of many things, but I've never dreamt to share a name with Osama bin Laden. Free, I am continuing, and I'm going to continue serving the people of Embu, the people of Kenya. And I also want to actually clearly say there is an attempt to actually make all of us fear. There is an attempt to go to even our supporters with cases that are not making sense. And let me say this, especially on my case, if you want to go about and to go after my supporters, be ready to go for everybody who is in Embu County. Because my support in Embu County cuts across. They gave instructions clearly that everybody has a right to health, and I was treated. As a matter of fact, the time I was arrested, I was heading somewhere to be checked. But that is neither here nor there. Right now I'm fine, I'm of good health, and I'm going to continue with my work as it's supposed to be.
Kidogo tuna katawezi. Wataongea tukienda huko. Unaona anauliza wanafukuzwa kwa nini?
Kajajiliwa mpaka wana toka sasa. I didn't know. Selipa bill leo. Lakini sasa habari nimekuja uko tu mtakusumbua tena. Sema twende mpaka hapo sawa.
Ile wakati hapo atajua hapa bado atataka kusaini asubuhi.
Shida ni hiyo brownie.
Shida ni nini?
Ni one time.
One time sio wrong.
Damu ni moja.
That's unfortunate.
Alikuwa huyu.
Nenda huko na kamera amekuja. Mtwende live. anaitwa Gitonga. Nichukue live. Hapo kujamba kwa kamera. Ndio hii story.